What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this really cool 2-in-1 air purifier and humidifier. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. So to start things out, this is a pretty big unit. As you can see, it's really meant to sit on the ground. I have it up on this desk so I can show you guys, but this is decently large, so definitely keep that in mind. Now, one thing I do like about it is that on the sides here, it does have these nice handles, which make it really easy to pick up and move around if you need to. Of course, your air purifier is going to be this section, and then you have your humidifier at the top. All of your controls are going to be right here, right under your tank. And to turn it on, you just hit on and off. And when you turn it on, it is going to read the air quality where you are, and it's going to give you a reading, you know, right on that display with a different color. So it will choose the color depending on how well your air quality is. If you just give it a second, it will go ahead and do that. Now, as far as our other buttons go, we do have a speed button right there. We have humidification. This turns on the humidifier. We have a timer. We can do up to, I believe, 8 hours. And then we have a night light as well. So now you can see it shows us here that we are in the green, which means we have good air quality. Let's go ahead and do that speed. So we're up at 3, and that's the highest. I believe that's auto. And then we have speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and then auto. Auto will detect your air quality and then adjust the speed accordingly, which is nice. So once we do that, we can turn the humidifier on. And that just turns it on and gets it going and everything like that. Really easy to do that. And again, that one has different levels as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, and there's a lot of mist coming out. And we have that one's auto as well. And then that's 0, that turns it off. We also have a timer. So we can set this for 0 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yeah, so up to 8 hours on the timer. And then finally, we do have our night light button here. And if we press it once, it's going to go ahead and dim this display. If we press it again, it's going to essentially turn the entire thing off. So if you're running this at night, you don't want any of these lights, you can turn them completely off. We'll go ahead and turn it right back on. Filling up the water tank here for the humidifier is extremely easy. So this lid just simply comes off. You carefully take your water, just dump it right in there. There is a best line, which is like your best fill line, and then these say max. So it does let you know, how high you want to actually fill your water. When you're done, all you have to do is, again, just line this up and put your lid back on. There's also a hole here. This is where your mist is going to come out, and you can direct where sort of like that mist is going to go. If you're wondering how much mist the humidification actually puts out, let's go ahead and hit it once. So that's going to go ahead and turn it on. And this is the first level, so you can see that mist there. We'll go hit it again, go to the second level there, hit it one more time, and go to that third level. That is the highest level. And then of course the next one's going to be auto. And then we can go ahead and turn it off. If you ever need to replace the filter, it is going to be on the back here. So you just press down and remove this back cover. And there's actually tabs on the filter itself, so you can easily just go ahead and pull it out. Now, this is an H13 HEPA filter. You're also going to get a carbon filter as well. Put it back in, super easy to do. And this machine will give you a reminder letting you know when you do have to change the filter. So as we come to the end here, I have to say that I really do like this. I love that it's a 2-in-1 unit. So most people buy an air purifier and then they go ahead and buy a humidifier. This solves both of those problems all in one. Really easy to use, really easy to fill this tank, really easy to replace the HEPA filter. This sits on the ground, easy to move around, and it's not all that loud. I like all the different modes. It automatically detects your air quality and everything like that. So if you are looking for an air purifier that also happens to be a humidifier, this is one that I would definitely recommend.